Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Volvo EX90, a comprehensive deep dive into LiDAR technology and next-gen safety. Imagine driving through complete darkness. No streetlights. Heavy rain. A pedestrian wearing black suddenly steps into the road. Most cars would struggle to react in time. But the 2026 Volvo EX90 is attempting something radically different. It doesn't just see the road. It constantly scans, maps, predicts, and calculates the world around it using laser-based perception powerful enough to detect objects nearly 250 meters ahead. This is no longer traditional automotive safety. This is artificial intelligence fused with advanced optical engineering. And Volvo believes it could eliminate serious crashes entirely. At the center of the EX90's safety revolution sits the roof-mounted Iris LiDAR system. That small sensor above the windshield may look simple. But underneath it lives one of the most advanced perception systems ever installed in a production SUV. Instead of relying only on cameras or radar, the EX90 fires ultra-precise 1550 nanometer laser pulses across the environment, creating a real-time three-dimensional map of everything surrounding the vehicle. Cars, cyclists, animals, even dark, non-reflective objects most camera systems struggle to identify at night. And the numbers are staggering. Volvo claims the EX90 can detect objects up to 250 meters away while maintaining precise depth recognition under difficult visibility conditions. That matters because reaction time changes everything. At highway speeds, even one additional second of awareness can mean the difference between a near miss and catastrophe. But LiDAR alone isn't the breakthrough. The real magic happens in the processing architecture. The EX90 pairs this sensor array with NVIDIA DRIVE Orin computing hardware and AI-powered platform capable of analyzing massive streams of environmental data in real time. And honestly, this SUV processes more information per second than some early autonomous research prototypes from only a few years ago. The system constantly cross-checks cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR simultaneously to eliminate uncertainty before danger fully develops. That's Volvo's philosophy. Prevent the accident before the driver even realizes it exists. And unlike flashy autonomous marketing campaigns focused on hands-free driving, Volvo approaches automation from a safety-first perspective. Not replacing humans, protecting them. So now the question becomes bigger than Volvo itself. If cars can eventually detect hazards faster and more accurately than humans, will future luxury vehicles be judged less by horsepower and more by intelligence? Because the 2026 EX90 may not just represent the future of safety. It may represent the future relationship between humans, machines, and trust itself.